We at Siemens understand that a reliable, cost-effective power supply in line with or surpassing the strictest environmental regulations is a key driver for a profitable and sustainable business. With the SGT 800, Siemens offers reliable and flexible solutions for a variety of power industries, such as independent power producers, utilities and municipalities, and also for oil and gas companies, such as refineries.
Siemens has a long-standing engineering tradition, stemming all the way back to the early days of electricity. Decades of gas turbine experience and know-how, together with cutting-edge research and innovation, enables us to adapt easily to changing market demands. The SGT 800 was developed in Sweden in the 1990s and was introduced as a 43 megawatt industrial turbine. It has since then gone through continuous evolution, building on the experience of the installed fleet and on proven design solutions from the entire range of Siemens gas turbines. Today, the SGT 800 produces over 50 megawatt, depending on the application, and is available with a choice of ratings. Hundreds of units have been sold worldwide, and it can now be found in all regions around the globe.
The SGT 800 industrial gas turbine combines a robust design with excellent efficiency and emission performance. This gas turbine offers broad flexibility in fuels, operating conditions, maintenance concepts, package solutions and ratings, all to satisfy different market requirements.
The single-shaft engine features simple, robust design, with a two-bearing rotor for high reliability and easy maintenance. The high-efficiency compressor has 15 stages, of which the first 3 stages feature variable guide vanes for optimal performance. A hot climate option, with the only change of compressor vanes 3 to 15, is available to increase power and efficiency at high ambient temperatures. The compressor casing is vertically split, allowing easy maintenance. A single blade or a single vane segment can be exchanged on site. The SGT 800 features a robust dual-fuel DLE system for clean combustion, without the complexity of burner staging. Excellent fuel flexibility allows for high content of inert gases, hydrogen and heavy hydrocarbons, without any maintenance impact. The combustor and burner design give world-class emission performance over a wide load range and is capable of single-digit NOx and CO emission levels. The burners can be easily removed for maintenance. Looking more closely at the turbine section, the SGT 800 features a highly efficient 3-stage design. Gas turbine blades are operating in a tough environment. The SGT 800's efficient cooling system and insulating thermal barrier coating ensure optimal performance and lifetime. The blades at the last turbine stage use interlocking shrouds to reinforce robustness.
When we started the development of this gas turbine in the mid-90s, reliability was top priority from day one. Simple and robust technical solutions were chosen with this in mind. Did we succeed? I believe so. The reported fleet reliability averaged over the last 5 years is world-class 99.4%.
To increase the flexibility even further, and in order to meet the individual requirements of a customer, we have developed two different packages, the Classic package and the Single Lift package.
The Classic package incorporates the gas turbine and the gearbox on a single base frame, with the mechanical auxiliary systems mounted on an external skid placed close to the gas turbine. As an alternative, the gearbox can be placed directly on the foundation for reduced transport weight. This Classic package is easily transported and installed at site. The turbine's compact, modular design allows easy on-site maintenance inside the package. The SGT 800 is also available as a complete skid-mounted package, including the gas turbine, gearbox, generator and mechanical auxiliary systems, offering a small footprint. The single lift capability of the complete train reduces the installation and commissioning time at site to 60 days or less. This single lift package also enables the option of quick core engine exchange for maximized availability.
For both package types, an operational test of the complete unit can be carried out upon delivery. It includes both the gas turbine and the generator, and it will verify efficiency and power output.
Siemens offer a broad range of power plants based on SGT 800 for combined cycle and combined heat and power.
With its excellent steam-raising capability, a highly efficient way of converting fuel into useful energy is by operating the SGT 800 in a combined heat and power cycle. Siemens can offer a range of plant equipment, from gas turbine and steam turbine only to full turnkey plant. One or more SGT 800 gas turbines here provide the core of a powerful combined cycle plant. Our superior reliability and high efficiency ensure both a low life cycle cost and a small environmental footprint. Within our standard plant configuration, we offer a high degree of scope flexibility. This enables plant optimization to suit specific requirements. Designed also for frequent starts and stops, the SGT 800-based power plant is perfectly suited as backup to renewable power sources in the grid.
Whenever you're developing district heating schemes or produce energy for your community, distributed energy or supporting your grid with baseload, standby or peaking power, we have a solution to solve your energy needs.
Global urbanization, scarce resources and climate change create the need for products, solutions and services to provide more efficient power generation. Whatever the application, our gas turbines meet the requirements for efficiency, reliability and environmental compatibility, giving low life cycle costs and the best possible return on investment. With a proven, long-term record of successful installations around the world, the SGT 800 is an excellent choice for both industrial power generation and oil and gas applications. The Siemens SGT 800 industrial gas turbine. Reliable, flexible, efficient.